Hi guys, my name is Jonathan. Today is a special day. I seen these on TV a lot, not on TV, on YouTube, where people are showing these inflatable bed, where when you purchase the bed, it came in a box. And I actually bought this for my mom. First of all, today is Monday, May 16. Right now it's 7:30 p.m. So anyway, we got a full-size bed right here, as you can see. This is, I decided to be used for my mom's bedroom. Obviously I got the bed, it's full size, but I just bought my mom this mattress from Ikea. So it came in a box. I actually went to pick it up actually. So first of all, let's open it. And from what I saw on TV, these are supposed to just inflate, like it get bigger when you open these up. Oh. So the first belt came off, second one came off. Okay, so I don't know how quick these things inflate, but let's start. Oh, I guess I don't even need this. Oh my god, guys. It's opening up. It's getting bigger. I don't know if you guys could see it, just popped wide open. It's getting bigger. The reason why it's not going all the way because the bag is still holding it. Okay. Oh my goodness, I have to say it's pretty cool. So I think this is the top, this is the bottom. I'm going to flip this around. So guys, I'm going to flip this around a little bit. There you go. So for a second I thought it was dirty. No, it was just a yellow string on it. So this thing's supposed to inflate and get bigger. So I don't know how they do it, but this is supposed to be the most fun. This we got the music. It's my mom's phone or something. She has a phone. So it has a instruction manual. I guess it's showing you how to unroll. I guess it takes 72 hours for this thing completely to inflate. So give it 72 hours, but I'm sure you could use it now and sleep on it. But overall, the fitment is good. I will say this bed is a little bit bigger, or maybe it takes some time for this thing to inflate. It's still a little bit gap, but of course, give it a minute. Now I wonder if I put this the wrong way, because the tag is on top. You guys could leave a comment. Maybe it's supposed to flip over. Well, this thing feels rough on this side. No, I'm sure it's this side. But anyway, leave a comment if you guys know what exactly the side it goes. I believe this is the top. On the bottom, it has a thing to open it, like a zipper. You have a zipper to open it. So I guess you could wash this. Assuming, yeah, you could open this completely up. There's a zipper on this side. So you could open these to wash it. But anyway, so this is the top. The bottom is the rough. And it has these thing where it's breathable, you know. And it's a lot of waffle. Anyway, leave a comment. I think it's a pretty interesting experience buying a mattress from a box. Well, that's about it by Ikea. And it's not too pricey. It's 200 something. This is supposed to be on the front side. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.